Hey everyone, like and subscribe so you'll see further updates as I post them for entertainment purposes only. This is part of my process to sort of learn in public, and I'm going to go through one of the previous videos I did where I analyzed my process of looking at Vitesse. VTS is the ticker symbol, and I showed you what I did looking at the 10K and the investor presentation, and sort of how I thought it should be valued, and why I bought it at the value it was. I think at the time it's like a $400 million company, and I thought it was worth more than that. And it's done pretty well over the past few months. So I started buying it in January, and let me share my screen here. And it's up 46% in my taxable account, and then I also have some in my Roth IRA and my traditional IRA, and I think this one here I will hold for at least a year because I want to pay lower capital gains tax IRA and traditional IRA. I will probably sell at some point, but I don't know when. I think given the price of oil now, this price is a fair price. I think when I started buying it, it was like 15, and then I sort of followed it up to like 17 or 18. So I think this price is a fair price given the price of oil now. And one of the problems I have as a value investor, and a lot of value investors have this problem, is that when you buy something, you like to buy something for it. Therefore, it's fully priced, and I'm going to sell. And then you sort of miss the big run-up times. And so with this one, I think the price is either a fair price for this, or if part of the reason I bought it was the thesis that oil is going to go higher. If oil went higher, the price for this would be higher. So I think I'm just going to sit on this for a while and see price at this price. But for a scenario where the price of oil goes up, it would be worth more if the price of oil was worth more. And there's no guarantee that will happen, but that could happen. And just pulling up the numbers here. I think at the time my regular 15% dividend, it's still pretty good now. It's like a 8.5% dividend, I think, last time I looked. And so if you look at what other energy companies are trading at, if you think people would pay a decent amount to have a 5% dividend, then things like the PV10, based on today's oil price, I wouldn't buy more at this price, but it's still giving a nice dividend, and so I'll just hold on for now. Anyway, let me pull up something else. Anyway, if you guys have any other questions about the test, just leave them in the comments. I'm not going to recommend buying or selling, but if you have questions about the analysis or other things in general, if you guys bought Vitesse 2, congratulations. If you didn't, that's fine. Just going through the process and looking at it and thinking about it is a helpful thing, so that the next time something like this comes up, or it's a spinoff and the assets appear undervalued relative to its peers, hopefully pattern recognition will kick in, and then you can decide how you want to go from there. But once again, this is just for educational purposes. I'm not recommending to buy or sell. I own this already, and you know, I plan on holding for a while, so I'm just sitting on it. And you know, if other things come up that are cheaper than this, you know, I'll probably buy. But if this comes down again, I'll buy more. If it goes up more, um, I may sell some in my retirement account, but the stuff in my taxable account, I'll probably wait for a year so I don't pay the capital gains on it. But you know, there's other stuff that's pretty cheap now in the oil and gas industry. So you know, I've been chipping away a little at Occidental, which is below the price at which, or close to the price at which Warren Buffett has been buying, and it's a great company. The assets of Occidental are in the Permian Basin, which are better assets than where Vitesse has, which I think is Eagle-Ford, I forget, but there's different shale plays throughout the U.S., and shale depletes quickly, and then most of the uh, other places like you know, the Eagle-Ford or Anadarko or the other ones are, the sort of rate of production has been going down lately, and the Permian is the one that you know, the production is still going up, and that's where Occidental's assets are. So it's a the stuff for Vitesse is not in as good a place as the assets for Occidental, but you know, we got them cheap, and maybe that's part of the reason why it's cheap. But anyway, you know, hope you guys enjoyed this, and like and subscribe, and I'll try to do more updates soon. Thank you.